our strength to keep pushing to become the best version of ourselves. Not only as students, but as persons with character and competence. I am deeply grateful to be part of the 6th grade batch.
Kasi
And
baka
I
mahihi ako.
know that acceleration uniquely enabled me to achieve. And I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude
Yung mga nakaputi si Robbie.
to Pasig Catholic College for providing this opportunity. Now, as we embark on a new chapter in our lives, we look ahead with hope and excitement. May we continue to grow and reflect as we enthusiastically face the epic academic journey to the next level, high school. Join us, the grade 6
Hindi
students,
sila mamaya naman ulit.
as we take our next big steps in learning and in life. We will continue
Hanggang
to
hapon na
develop
hindi natin makakasama si Robbie. Hanggang hapon na
and become stronger
Ay,
in
saan sila kakain?
Mayroon sila nga dito.
Meron sila pagkain.
higher learning. With the Lord by our side, we know we will never be alone. We pray, we learn, we read, we discover, we sing, we dance, we conquer, and above all, we love. Once again, a blessed morning to all, and may God continue to guide each of us on the path ahead. I am Zijan James Rivera of Grade 6, Diocese of
Nagpupunta sa
Miriam.
basa yan. Hindi
And with
nagsalita.
utmost joy and pride, I
Ka-classmate ni
welcome you
Robbie.
all
Robbie.
to the commencement sermon.
Honors.
Oh, high honor.
2025.
I-friend niya si Robert para makatingin ng tulong.
May I invite everyone to please stand and join us in the singing of We Are.
Tingnan mo si Robert, may ganun siya doon sa kaibigan niya sa bata.
taas, di ba?